Where you going?
So that didn't answer my question. What do you want?
I want to give you a lift.
No, thank you.
Hey, how much? How much?
Okay.
Name your price. Come in.
Can you take care of me?
I said name your price. So, come in.
Now, Lizzie, I don't understand. What is going on now? Talk to your guy.
Your man is a good woman.
You know I'm here for you. What's going on? What happened?
The ship that was carrying my container from Taiwan sank in the Hudson.
Jesus! Hey! My brother, what kind of misfortune is this now? Hey God, why is all this happening? Why is all this happening? Hey!
What's the feet is that? The road. I borrowed 100 million from the bank. That's business.
Otule, I feel your pain, my brother. I feel your pain.
So when the date the bank gave me a loss, the confiscated everything. Car, the shop, everything. I was left sleeping on bed.
What kind of problem is this? God, why is all this happening to my brother?
Please. Please, I want you people to help me stand again. I see no name where I'm at. Go near where I go. Just look at me. Look at where I've fallen. Look at my house. If anyone remembers, I cannot even boast of what is 20,000 naira. Look at where I've fallen to. Just look at Patrick. My mom is I've tested riches. And I've equally tested poverty. And if you ask me to choose, I will choose to remain there.
Mande, I feel your pain. Please calm down. Okay? You have to brace up. We will find a lasting solution to your problems. And you get back to your feet again. And also, how about your beautiful wife? How do you want it?
Hit me, baby.
How do you want it?
Hit me more.
How do you want it?
Hot.
You like that?
Yeah.
You call me Tiger.
Oh, Tiger.
Eat you.
Come eat you, Tiger.
Do you want it?
Right.
You want it hot?
all my friends have not been able to do anything for me. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Can you imagine? It's my own difference. No, I have to go back to where I used to be. This is not news. This is not me at all. I have tested witches. I have equally tested poverty. And if you ask me to choose, I'll choose to women. I am tired and sick of this situation. I'm tired. I am tired. Look at me. Just look at me. God.
You having fun? You wanting some more?
I want more. Come here.
Right. I'll give you some more. Right.
Oh, babe.
What?
You're bad.
Oh,
You're bad boy.
Right. That's your phone ringing.
No, babe. Continue.
Are you sure you don't want to take that? Okay.
Oh.
Are you sure you don't want to take that?
Hello? What is keeping you there now? Huh? I am hungry, very hungry.
Oh, this network again. Hello? Hello?
Hello? Madam Jibo, I can hear you very well now. I can hear you.
Hello? Oh, poor network.
Who was that?
My compound security. He's calling to ask if I ordered for something. I don't know. Babe, please, let's continue.
Where do you stay?
Hagrick Road.
Agric Village?
Yes.
That's where you live?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. So you want to go home? Is he asking you to come back?
No.
Oh, alright.
Come here.
Yeah. You know, I told you that I can. Wow, she was so good. Just how I like it. At first, she was proving hard to get. But trust me, I had to use my magic on her. Uju is my kind of woman. Sexy. She's got the biggest back.
Where are you coming?
I'm just returning from the market.
From the market that you left here since morning? Is the market at it here tonight? Yeah? But then are you aware that I've not eaten since morning? Oh. Your plan is to kill me so you can mourn me for 3 months and move on with your life? Right?
I didn't say that. But I'm sorry. See, if I tell you what I saw today, you will just faint. I swear, even my mouth cannot say it. It's too heavy.
What you saw today will make me faint. What is it?
As I was approaching Midwifery Market, I saw people running. I was wondering, what is going on here? Why are they all running? Then I saw soldiers. Plenty of them shooting carelessly.
Jesus Christ.
I was scared. I said, this can't be. I had to go and hide. I went into hiding to observe what was really going on.
Are you serious?
I saw them carrying AK-47. And even people were shutting down their shops, closing. My husband, God saved me. So I needed to take cover first, save my dear life. Before I jumped into the next available keke to Ogogonogo Market.
Thank God still make a market.
You know these people, they were shooting carelessly. I needed to just hide because of the accidental discharge.
Yes.
Nelson, where have you been? Don't give me that look. I've been calling, you're not taking my calls. What is going on? I went to your house and was told you're not there. Why are you stressing me, Nelson? Why?
Sorry, my phone was far away from me.
Baby. I just wanted to be sure you're fine, right?
Thank God for my life.
How come I asked? Babe, is that not the same road Patrick took to this place?
No, it can never be. Ask him where he took. I'm not sure he dried up man and road. I know what I saw. I know. And maybe he took up your way or one other. But he never. Nobody has passed that up man and road today. Nobody. Who are you? When soldiers are shooting at you.
Anyway, it's okay. Just now. I'm very hungry.
Eh?
Yeah, I'm very.
Me? Cook? Why? Let me listen. Doesn't mean you don't have empathy. No, you're not a pity person. You want to kill me? We should all have been through today. I won't do that. No, please, just leave me.
Wait. So you mean I should go and cook? You mean I should go and cook the soup?
Yes, my darling husband. This is so simple. Go and cook so we can eat.
When you have I cooked before since we got married?
It doesn't matter. Oh, for the yes, you try it today, you will not die. With all the things I've been through, I am still in shock. I can't cook. I can't do anything. Or why are you in Ahota right now? I'm trying so hard to even understand myself in this situation. Because I saw a lot of nonsense today. I can't cook. Since you cannot cook, fine and good. I have Gary there. We will take it and soak in the water to eat. I'm sure that will hold you. Till I come out of this shock. I am still in shock, deep shock. Are you not also working?
Okay.
Yes.
Once me, your husband, to marry.
Darling husband. You can find a way to the kitchen. Oh, I cannot move. I just cannot. I am still in shock. I can't.
You better go and cook that soup right now because I'm very hungry. Go and cook that soup.
I will not try it. I am in shock.
Go and cook that soup. Go and cook that soup. I am very hungry. Go and cook that soup.
Fall in love. Please don't be carried away. Because
Don't you have something to do? Like, you know what? I have a client coming to see me, and I do not want to be seen in a compromising position. So maybe you should go home and I'll call you back later.
Really, Nelson? I'm not going anywhere. I'm not! What is all this?
You don't have to be stubborn about this. Just go.
You know, just shut up!
She's not picking up.
Look at the soup you made.
What is it? What happened to the soup I made? What were you expecting? The soup I made in shock? If you don't like it, you can go to the 5-star restaurant and order for food. Food I made in shock. You're not even brave.
Be careful.
I'm eating.
Obianuju, pick your call.
It's not so important. Allow me to eat.
If someone that is eating doesn't pick up,
Ndobisi, can you please leave me alone to eat this food in peace? How come Maka?
person is still calling. Pick your call.
Hi, baby. How are you? So you wanted to cook something. Did you make the soup? I gave you money, remember? So are you coming over? Because I miss you so much.
What was that?
Okay. is your problem? No, listen. Did you give me money to buy meat? Are you so blind that you cannot see meat in your soup? I got tired of cooking every time without meat in this house. So I had to buy meat on credit. And I mean, so she called me to remind me to bring her money tomorrow morning. And that please, just leave me alone. Let me eat this food in peace. The same food you forced me to cook. Allow me to eat this food in peace. I am still in shock.
So I give you money. Instead of you to manage them. I just want me to create. But don't you know? When this money was with me, I used to kill someone. Sometimes cow. What is all this? Why are you embarrassing me? Why is it so not coming from? Why you need to credit from someone I don't know? I am.
Hi, Nicole. What? Okay, can I call you in 5 seconds, please? I'll call you back. Alright, thank you. Yeah. Hello? Hi, Susie.
My sweet baby, are you home now?
How are you? No, I'm not home. I'm actually on my way to the airport.
Are you traveling?
No, I'm not traveling. I want to pick up a client.
Because I want to come over so you can get my whole
What?
body on fire as always.
Listen, I'm not, you know what, just use your vibrator now. You have a vibe now, right?
Babe, I want the real thing.
The real thing is not available now until next week.
Why next week? Why not tomorrow?
Hey, I said I want to pick up a client, right? Use your vibrator. Come on. Nelson. Zukwanike. Zoike. Rapu muwai aka. Eh?
When you fall in love.
Why is she keeping me waiting? I told her to be fast.
Please don't be carried away. Because love can
I told her to be fast and she's keeping me waiting.
If you're not prepared,
Yeah, come in.
it will lead you to do some people.
Baby.
No, move out of track with their lifestyles.
What are you doing here?
Excuse you? What kind of question is that?
I told you I have a client to meet with, right?
You did not tell me anything.
Maybe you forgot. I told you a client came in from Lagos and I need to spend some time with him. That's what I told you.
Nelson,
Yeah.
I don't know what has been going on, but it's obvious he no longer wants us.
Hi.
Come on, what is happening?
Listen to me. I have a client that came in from Lagos. I need to meet up with him. That's what I told you. So give me some time. I promise to make it up to you, okay?
Yeah, that is it. That is all I hear lately. Meetings? Businesses? What about me? We're in a relationship, Nelson.
Relationship? When?
Are you kidding me?
Listen, I want to attend to my business, okay? Kindly go. If you want some money, I can send some money to you. Then we can, catch up later. How about that?
Yeah, that is it. You think it's always about money. Come on, it's about attention.
Which attention?
Be there for each
other. I want to attend to my business now. What is wrong with you? Go and come back later. No, don't even come back. I'll come to you.
You know, it's obvious I'm only making a fool of myself.
Yes, you are right now. You can go, please.
I'm stalking you, right?
Hi. Oh,
I will leave. I will leave. You know.
Please shut the door properly. Relationship when?
Stupid boy! Get man! Where you put that gate? Rubbish! Don't get out of my way!
I don't come this one all.
Hey! Oh. All nonsense. Linus! Linus!
Sir.
No woman. I repeat, no woman enters this house. Except that one with a big backside.
Okay.
What did I say?
I beg Oga, what's your name?
Uju. Uju Juleju.
Uju. Okay.
What did I say?
Okay, you don't see Ini Edo come find for this house. Man, no open gates for him. Except that we give big nash.
Good.
Don't forget.
Good.
Sorry to say, walk out with Noko. He's ready to make any woman happy.
We need to get find and come this house. Now so you go the Oga. I'm like that. No one settle down.
He's ready for them. Anywhere you want to go, he's ready for them.
You no longer pick my calls. When the chiefs are there, she will know the true friends who have brought. These are people that rally around me when the going was smooth. Let me have this call. I should have promised to do something. Patrick, please pick your call now. Patrick, please pick your call. Patrick, just pick your call.
What do you say? I'm off.
Come back. Where are you going dressed like this?
Oh, going to a Nollywood market to pay the maid seller.
You're going to is that why you dress half naked? Exposing everything that you're supposed to cover as a married woman?
What is wrong with what I'm wearing? Tell me. I am not half naked. I am not dressed naked. I am probably covered. Okay.
Everything is wrong with what you're putting on. Let me ask you something. Do you realize you are a married woman? Oh no. Women Odogu cannot dress like this and be walking along the road. It's impossible.
Did you say Ini Edo?
Oh yes, I said it.
Yeah. Keduzi Odogu, where is the Odogu? Because I cannot see any Odogu. I can only see Odogu. Odogu head. I am off to the market.
Wait, hold on. 1 minute. Oh,
Odanoju.
Oyadogun indeed.
Odanoju. Odanoju. Did my wife just walk past me?
When you are moving out of track of destiny, cause all that glitters is not gold, it's not gold.
Now, now.
At all. Beauty has a good side. All that glitters is not gold. Don't allow.
Hello. What are you looking at?
I beg Auntie no verse if you turn around.
Are you okay? Excuse me. Who are you to ask me to turn around?
Now my work I dey do.
What stupid work? Please excuse me.
Now wetin my oga tell me say na I do now the way I dey do. My oga tell me say anything I wey find am come say make I confirm whether the person get big yansh. Say if he no get big yansh, make I no open gate for am. So I beg turn around make I confirm something. Turn around make I confirm something. Jesus!
Wetin happen?
Hey!
You don't confirm am?
I don't confirm am. Na if you dey institution, my oga dey wait already.
For talk this thing.
Abeg wait. Wetin be your name?
Obianuju.
Obianuju. Ujujureji. Na you fit dey go.
You go dey quick dey talk these things. Eh? You go quick dey talk some kind things.
My oga tell me say ma do now. You fit dey go. Hey!
Hello.
Uju. How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine. How have you been?
I've been missing you. Yeah. I've been thinking about you.
Really?
Yeah.
Even with your handful of women.
Come on. That's the truth. I've missed you.
I don't believe it.
You've been on my mind, actually.
Nice place you have here.
But you've been here before.
I know, but I didn't take my time to look around.
Hey!
What is
Uju.
Please stop.
You get mad.
What?
You're sexy.
I know. That's why you like me.
Of course I do.
So what was that out there?
What?
The gate man.
Oh, my gate man. Listen, you know it's the weekend and I'll be getting lots of visitors. I wanted to be sure who comes in. Alright? Yeah.
I see.
What?
Nothing.
Hey, you know you're spending the weekend.
No way. No, I am not.
Why?
Because
You what?
I don't know, but I'm not going to spend
You're
the weekend.
spending the weekend. Come on, let's freaky. You know how I do it.
Please.
Come on, turn around. let's.
Oh, Nelson, you're crazy.
You have to spend the weekend with me.
What for?
You know now. Hey!
What?
Are you asking me what?
you're
Look at what you're carrying. It's a lot.
Oh,
Hey! Chineke.
Nancy, you're so funny.
Well, if that's what you call it, then that's okay. I mean, I want to be funny all the time as long as I get the opportunity to touch this. Oh my God.
Okay.
You know what?
You've been eating me up with your eyes since I got here. Why don't we go upstairs and do the real thing?
Of course, baby. I want to take you upstairs and do the real thing. But I want to get high first.
Don't you smoke?
Smoke? No. I don't smoke. I don't smoke. I mean, I don't do too much alcohol as well. The only thing I love to do, I love to have sex. Baby, nah, pure custody. Some people say I'm a nympho, but I don't care. Some people say I have a high libido, but I don't give a shit. Guess what? As long as I can afford to pay the type of woman I want. And that's all.
What kind of a carefree person is this? For once, he hasn't asked me about myself.
I thought you wanted to kiss me. Wait, you're not here. What's on your mind? What are you thinking about?
Nothing. You've never cared to ask if I have a boyfriend.
A boyfriend? What do I need that information for? I don't care if you have a boyfriend. What do I need your boyfriend for? Listen, I'm not here to control you, okay? It's freedom. I want us to be free with each other. Do you understand me? Listen, it's a paid partnership. It's business. You come, have fun, I pay you, you go. Don't push your luck too much though.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, it's business, okay? You don't have the right to call me when I don't want to take calls. You don't have the right to come to my house unannounced, without invitation. And don't get upset when you see another pretty girl around me.
You mean you don't care?
I didn't say I don't care. I care about you, but don't get upset when you see me with another girl, because I have a lot of pretty girls around me. Hey, listen, you can also bring your friend so we can all be friends and, you know, have fun, you know.
So, how did it go, Sarah?
It went well.
Okay.
Erica, have you heard of Nelson? The handsome guy with the handsome pockets?
No.
Erica, that guy spends heavily on women.
Please, I don't really want to talk about that sugar boy that sleeps with every married and single woman in town. Please.
Erica, I tried to say you don't know him, so...
Like I said, I don't know him. But, come on. Well, I don't really know much, but all I know is that that guy sleeps with every married woman and single ladies in town.
What? Erica, that's a lie. I don't believe you.
Oh, you don't believe me? Really? Well, I know that guy sleeps with married women and single girls, even without protection. I swear to God, if you give that guy a mad woman, he's going to sleep with that guy. That guy is more senseless than I thought.
Erica, how do you know so much about someone you said you don't know? Like, how do you know he sleeps with women without protection?
Have you gone? Gone where? Me. I would rather sleep with a mad man than to sleep with that nympho. I swear.
Erica, I will go. You know what? I will go and seduce him. I want him pants down with me. Yes.
Oh.
I'll have a taste of his dick.
You want to sleep with him? You can go.
I will. Give me a taste of his dick. Leave me.
You alright? So tell me what's on your mind.
Babe, I want to change my phone.
You want to change your phone?
Yeah.
That's all you want? Alright, so how much is it?
It's about 3 million naira.
3 million? Alright, I'll send you 3 million.
Are you sure?
Yeah, why not?
Babe!
Of course, I'll give it to you. I'll give you anything you want, babe.
Oh, thank you.
But you know how to pay back, right?
I know.
I give you all the sugar.
I know.
3 million is nothing compared to, you know. You know. So is that all you want? 3 million? iPhone? That's all? You don't want my house?
No way.
You don't want my house?
No.
I want to give you my house.
Go away.
Babe, if I can get 1 billion from him, forget it. I don't blow with that. Oh, wait. So you want 1 million in exchange for your life? Before I think say you get sense, but now I can confirm it very, very well that you don't have sense. Why do they talk like this, Erica? You want to die because of 1 million naira? Erica, who tell you say that guy carry HIV? Babe, I can tell you with my full chest that guy is a carrier. No problem. Slay queen and slay queen. Leave her for me. I'm just advising you because you're my friend. Forget Nelson and his generosity. My dear, when you hustle legitly, you will make more than 1 million naira. Thank you, Miss Advisor. Leave her for me. I'm not the only one fucker. Now you? Leave her for me. I'm go still carry the whatever. Hey, God. Are you serious? You want to go and you want to do this? You don't get sense with this girl, so you want to go and buy yourself because of you did very, very stupid. Now you go buy yourself. Now your generation go buy, no be me. Shut up your mouth. Come on, 1 million. Come on, God. Oh, you know it's common. So you know it's common 1 million and you want to go and sleep with him. For 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. That's it. I'm a big girl now. Just wait till when I see him. Sharp. No problem.
Let's go.
What time have you left here since morning? Which market you go just to give me seller money? How many hours? This time to sit is all this.
Of course.
told you I'm already here to do.
Oh yeah, you are so hot.
Your phone is ringing.
Oh.
Sit down.
Woo. Oh. Oh.
What was that?
Nothing.
Wait.
Is that a ring? Is that a ring?
Nothing.
Are you married?
Hi.
Are you married?
I'm sorry.
Wait, you're married and you didn't tell me? Would you? You're married and you didn't tell me?
I'm sorry.
You took off your ring and come to sleep with another man? A married woman? Are you out of your mind? Why would you do this? No, what are you trying to do? Why didn't you tell me you were married? I can't believe this.
I'm sorry.
This is unbelievable.
I'm sorry, please.
What is wrong with you women? How dare you? You took off your ring to come sleep with another man. I'm sure he's the one calling you, right? He was the same person that called you that day you were here.
Yes.
Really?
Why are you cheating on your husband? Why?
Everything I'm doing is to spite that man that calls himself my husband. He cheated on me first. I'm only trying to pay him back in his own coin.
How do you mean?
My husband was doing well in business. It's not important. Ndobesi was very rich, but a chronic womanizer.
How do you mean? What nonsense are you saying?
He was a cheat. And a proud one at that. I remembered how he used to brag to me that if I don't check it properly, he would marry 7 wives. And I would do nothing about it. You know, listen, I don't regret what I'm doing. What is a woman's part doing in your suit? Am I not talking to you? Answer me.
Obianuju, what is your problem? So all you do is search my suit whenever I come back from work? The other day you saw a red lipstick stain my shirt. The other day again you saw earring. And today again pant. Obianuju, what is your problem?
Are you not ashamed of yourself? You hurt me. You cheated on me. You've been freaking cheating on me. And you do not show any sign of remorse?
Excuse me?
Are you this heartless?
Remorse, you said? For what? That I cheated on you? That is very common to every man. Now listen to me. My father married 7 wives. So, if I decide to marry 10, as long as I can take care of them, it's none of anybody's business.
Wow.
See, stop this. I don't like it.
I am not surprised where you got this dirty attitude from.
Oh.
So because your father married 7 wives, you want to do the same? You want to be like father, like son?
Oh yes.
No. I should applaud you.
Oh yeah?
I should clap for you. Go on. You can marry as many as you can. I don't care. But you see this nonsense? Do not bring it to my home again.
Don't push me. Don't push me. Because you won't like this house.
Oh, please. Get out.
Obianoju.
Some men are just too shameless. Ndobesi, you are a shameless man. In fact, I am super ashamed of you. Why are you a he-goat? Why are you so insatiable?
Obianoju, if you cannot take it, divorce me. You see that woman? I would not stop dating her. And I will tell you why. Age-long dispute between their community and my community is the reason we did not marry today. Obianoju, I met Edna the moment she came out from this secondary school. Because of the financial problem from the parents, I saw a talent in her and I decided to invest on that. I took her to the university. I trained her. And after training her, I was denied one important thing that I cherish so much. Due to age-long dispute. Our people and their people don't intermarry. And anybody that disobeys that dies in the dowry day. I and Edna cried. But our tears could not do anything. How can I move on after investing so much money on her? Edna went to Akwa Ibom for her NYC and met one man that she got married to today. She asked me to move on. And I said no. My people started mounting pressure on me that I should marry. And I said no. How can I move on after investing such amount of money in her? So, after the whole pressure from my family, they decided to marry someone who has something Edna didn't have. With the size and everything, I still love Edna. I'll be honest with you, I'm sorry. The only thing that can separate Edna and I is that I love her so much. And I will forever love her. Yes.
Why? No, so what did I do wrong? Why do you keep hurting me? Do you rip my heart in 1,000 pieces? Each time you tell me how madly in love you are with another man's wife. Why are you breaking my heart? Am I not enough? Why can't you just move on with me? Have I not loved you? Rightly, in a way, a wife should love her husband. Did I do wrong? The day Edna died, my husband died with her. Nothing else matters to Ndubisi other than taking his own life to go join the love of his life. He tried severally. If not for my timely interventions, my husband would have committed suicide long ago. The death of Edna stopped my husband from cheating. Then, another calamity struck.
What calamity?
His 40-feet container sank in the ocean. He returned to 0 level. He was forced to see a seer for consultation, where he was told that the spirit of Edna was the cause of his downfall.
What?
Edna's spirit want my husband dead to come join her in the spirit world, since they were denied marriage in life.
How?
Unbelievable, right? Now saying I was shocked to my bones when my husband opened up to the seer that the spirit of Edna has been appearing to him, compelling him to commit suicide so they can be together.
Wait. If I understood you correctly, did you mean Edna appears to Ndubisi? So, what has your husband done about it?
He was asked to appease her spirit so she could rest in peace or even cage her. But there is no money for that.
Well, I have limited time here.
So, what can I do for you? Like I said, I can't remember meeting you and you're not one of my associates. How did you even get my address?
You are a ladies' man, so finding you is not that difficult, you know. You're going to meet a lady called Sarah. She has a deadly disease that will kill you slowly.
Sarah?
Be warned. Do everything you want to do with her, but don't go in with her.
Wait! Hello! Linus! Come. Where's that girl?
I don't see her.
Come here. Where's Erica?
I don't see her.
She just left.